Om Sai Ram to all my Baba lovers out there. How are you all doing? How's things going with you? Last time, many people messaged me saying that they really liked the way I'm sharing my stories. Sometimes I share, sometimes I don't share. Again, it depends on my mindset also. Like for example, this happened I guess 2 days back. I was just wondering about certain things, how people come in our lives, how they go, how they become, so close and so friendly, and how overnight they just, show us as if they don't exist for us, or, as if we, to more than they don't exist for us, it is more like, we don't exist for them. And then I wonder, why is it that, Baba brings in such things? Why is it that Baba, keeps testing us from time to time, at least testing me from time to time? Then sometimes I feel as if Baba is saying, you came alone in this world, so you will have to go alone from this world. Have everyone around you, but detachment is needed. Detachment is something which will keep you happy, will keep you neutral, and at the same time will help you to be yourself, be your inner self. So I was like, okay, fine, maybe that is what, because every time when I ask Baba, I feel he gives me the same answer. Then I feel, then why is it that I even mingle with people? Why is it that I even give them that privilege, or that that space where they can come into my life, use me, or spend time with me, and then they hurt me? Then for that, I was actually, I was just opening, I just spoke to Baba all this, and then I came, and then I opened my laptop because I wanted to just read some news. And also randomly, I love going to Google or YouTube and all that, so I just go to YouTube, and out of a blue, I just see a video calling it just karma, and it is like capital letters karma. Then I'm like, okay Baba, I now know that you gave me the answer, that all this is karma, all this is karmic, and whatever, whoever comes in our life, we should take it that they have come for a lesson, and once that lesson is over, they have to go. We cannot get upset, we cannot get hurt, we cannot feel that why this is happening to me, because one more thing I want to tell you all here, the more you think about it, the more you will attract the same type of people. Instead, let go of it anyways, which he is going to be there with us lifelong, no matter who comes and who goes, and he is going to love us for whatever we are. So I have accepted that okay, everything is karma. Now let's see what are the cards saying. As usual, three cards have come out. I don't know what he wants to say. Miracle. Miracles happen. Look for the miracle in your life. Okay. Solution. There shall be light. A solution to your problem is at hand. So maybe Baba is trying to say that, I feel this as, Himalayas. I keep telling at my home that, one fine day I'll go off to Himalayas. I want to settle there. So maybe it's not Himalayas as Himalayas. Maybe he's just saying, I see this mountain as a single mountain. A person who's alone, outshining. So I feel that is what he's saying. Solution is in my hand. Instead of getting hurt, I should just, understand that I have to just, there is only one path, and that path leads me to the divine. And the third card, which came, synthesis. See, this is why I say I love this man. All truly spiritually paths lead to God. Follow the path the most suited to you. So maybe this is what Baba is trying to say, that everyone comes and goes. So you need to understand that you will have to come alone, and you will leave this world alone. Just surrender to me. Take of me as your God, your friend, everything. I always tell this to Baba, that Baba, you are only everything for me. And whenever something comes, some gift comes, or somebody surprises me with something, or anything that comes, and even if I'm sad or if I'm crying, I just tell him one thing: Tera tujhko arpan. If you're going to make me cry, then you're also going to sit there and cry, because your daughter, your friend, your bestie, whatever you think me as, is crying. And I tell him, I'm surrendering it to you. If it is good, the good comes to you. If it is bad, the bad also comes to you. I am just yours and only yours. And I sometimes even surrender like this only. When I'm seeing this card, it's as if a thin part of me is sitting there and telling Baba, I am all yours, take me. So maybe today you all should also do that. Go to Baba, tell him I'm all yours, and I'm sure he's going to take you in his arms, he's going to hug you as his own child, and he's going to bless you all. As usual, it's a Thursday, So feed some stray animal. If you also feel left out in your life, if you feel people are cheating you, or karma is happening, or things are people are not truthful to you, then this is the path for you. He's telling you, just follow the path and come to me, and I am going to be there with wide open arms, accepting you the way you are and blessing you. Om Sai Ram to all you beautiful people out there.